In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey on Mailchimp. We'll go step by step from starting a new survey to adding a question, designing the page, reviewing everything, and saving your work. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand survey ready to use, and you'll understand why each step matters for getting quality responses. Begin on the Mailchimp dashboard. Open your browser and go to Mailchimp and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, look for the Create button. This is where Mailchimp gathers all its campaign tools, and it's the quickest path to new content. Click Create, then choose Surveys from the options you see. Mailchimp may show a short introduction to surveys to help you get familiar with the tool. Go ahead and click Get Started to move into the setup flow. Now you're on the Surveys page. Click Create New Survey to begin building one from scratch. You'll be asked to name your survey, which helps you stay organized later. Click the survey name field and type a short, descriptive title that tells you what it's for at a glance, something like a product, audience, or time frame reference. Clear naming reduces confusion when you have multiple surveys. When you're ready, click Begin to open the survey builder. Inside the builder, you'll add your first question. Click the plus icon to insert a new question block. For this walkthrough, select checkboxes. Checkboxes let people choose more than one answer and work well for multi-select questions like, which features are most important to you? Or, where did you first hear about us? In the editor, click into the prompt area that says, what would you like to ask? And type your question clearly. Keep it specific, straightforward, and neutral so you don't influence responses. Next, add answer choices. Click into the first option field and type your first choice. Then use the plus button to add more options, entering one choice per line. Aim for concise, distinct labels so there's no overlap or ambiguity. Consider including a final other choice if you expect unique responses outside your list, and keep all options mutually exclusive so respondents aren't unsure where their answer fits. As you build the list, think about the order. Grouping similar items together or using alphabetical order can make scanning faster and reduce cognitive load. If you change your mind about wording, this is the right moment to refine before moving on. Once your question and options look good, continue to the design stage by clicking Continue to Design. Here you'll customize your survey page to match your brand and improve readability. Adjust the page title and introductory text so people know why they're being asked to respond and approximately how long it will take. Tweak colors and fonts to align with your brand palette and, if available, add a logo or header image that looks crisp and maintains good contrast for accessibility. Keep your background and buttons high contrast so they're easy to read and tap, especially on mobile devices. Use generous spacing and a simple layout. Fewer distractions typically lead to more completions. If a preview is available, check both desktop and mobile views to make sure the text is legible, the buttons are visible, and the flow of the page feels natural. When you're satisfied with the look and feel, move to final checks by clicking Review. Take a moment to proofread your question and options, check for typos, and confirm the tone is clear and friendly. Make sure the question actually matches the type you chose, and that your options cover the likely range of answers. If something needs refining, jump back and adjust it now. Finally, click Save. Your survey is now stored in your Mailchimp Surveys area, ready for you to manage when you're set. Saving early and often is a good habit as you fine-tune copy and design. That's it. Your Mailchimp survey is created, designed, reviewed, and saved, giving you a solid professional foundation for gathering feedback with confidence.